Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows 11 taskbar is not working properly. So whether it's not loading properly or it's acting very glitchy or buggy, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be just to restart your computer. So go ahead and right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. And hopefully that was able to resolve the problem. If not, something else we can try here as well. If you open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's going to be an SFC scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and paste it in the same way you did the first one. And then give this a couple minutes as well. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.